Can I unblock a person on WhatsApp?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. Whether you've changed your mind or accidentally blocked a contact, this guide will help you to easily unblock them.
What does blocking a contact on WhatsApp do?
Blocking a contact on WhatsApp restricts them from sending you messages, calling you, viewing your status updates, or seeing your last seen status. If you've blocked someone and want to remove these restrictions, you'll need to unblock them.
How to find the blocked contacts list?
Firstly, you need to find the list of people you have blocked. 1. Open your WhatsApp and go to the Settings section. 2. If you're using an iPhone, select Account, then Privacy, and then Blocked. 3. If you're on an Android device, select Accounts, then Privacy, and finally, Blocked Contacts. This will open a list of all the contacts you have blocked.
How to unblock a contact?
Now that you have found the list of blocked contacts, you can unblock the desired person. 1. Simply tap on the contact you wish to unblock. 2. A menu will pop up with an option to unblock contact's name. Click on this option. And just like that, the contact is unblocked. Congratulations, you've just unblocked a contact on WhatsApp. You can now receive messages and calls from this contact, and they'll be able to see your status updates. We hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to rewatch this video if you need a recap, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions about using WhatsApp. Happy messaging!